In this video, I'm going to be going over what is a Linux installer. A Linux installer is a piece of software that automates the process of installing a Linux distribution. What does a Linux installer do? A Linux installer can do a number of things. Sometimes it creates partitions, but if it does it first. It installs the bootloader. It copies the needed files to the destination where your file system lives, and it sets up some config files needed to boot. A Linux installer automates normal tasks needed to install. The installer uses software tools that you can use manually without the installer. Do all Linux distros have a built-in installer? No, there are Linux distros that do not have a built-in installer. What would be an example of a Linux distro without an installer? Kiss Linux, right? So you can go there, kisslinux.org, if you want to check it out. What would be the process for installing a Linux distro without the Linux Mint installer? I'm going to be using Kiss Linux as an example. Buy USB, flash Linux Mint to USB, restart computer, boot into USB. While in Linux Mint from USB, wipe your current install of Linux Mint on your laptop. Reformat your drive and partition your laptop. While on Linux Mint on your USB, download Kiss Linux root fs tarball from the Linux Mint Kiss website, the Kiss Linux website. Extract it onto your laptop disk, correct partition for root, then chroot troot into the disk that you extracted Kiss to, install the bootloader, edit some configs, and then reboot into laptop. So there you go. That would be the process of installing a Linux distribution without a Linux installer, and there you go. That is what a Linux installer is.